chopstick tutorial. Right back. Now I need to wash these. Okay, so I never would have thought that a chopstick tutorial would be something that I would do, but here we are. Honestly, I taught myself when I was very young. I didn't know it was anything special, but apparently it is. Your first chopstick, this will kind of just be, I guess, the part that kind of just stays stationary. You will hold the chopstick. How do I explain? You'll put the chopstick kind of between your pinky finger and your ring finger, and the end of the chopstick will kind of sit here on the top of your, here. Next, you will have the other chopstick, which will sit in between the top two fingers. The top two fingers will hold it, and that will also kind of sit, you know, on the top of your hand. So now I've got both chopsticks on top of my hand, and now all of the motion comes from the top fingers. So it's just from here, bending down with the top row. Make sense? Pinch. We'll take it, we pinch. Voila. Oh, also, yeah, your thumb holds both of the chopsticks down. Just, yeah, your thumb holds both the chopsticks down. Jayo.